Okay, start from the first question. Please hold the microphone. List 3 ways to take care of your respiratory system. 3 ways. Or at least you just say any way to take care of your respiratory system.
Doing a good hygiene.
Just like
Um,
good hygiene is very general. You have to make it specific. What are you doing to make it to provide the good hygiene? Wear a
comfortable clothes.
respiratory. Huh?
Use a comfortable clothes.
What is the connection with the respiratory system? Wearing a wearing a usually if you are in the road, you're wearing a to avoid the dust. Okay, we skip this one first. Jocelyn, what is menstruation?
Menstruation is the egg that hold yep, the egg that reproduce the
Okay, we skip this one first. Namia,
yeah.
why is it important to control mosquitoes to prevent diseases like malaria?
Yeah, it's important. So we do not get disease like malaria. Why is it important?
Yeah, why is it important? Because this is malaria. Malaria is the disease. But why the one that we have to control is mosquito? Why? What is the connection between mosquito and malaria?
Because some mosquito can spread malaria
Yeah, some mosquito can bring the malaria
disease.
germ. Yeah, it's correct. Good. Adiba, describe the path air takes when you breathe in. The path of the air takes when you breathe in. The path. Start from
Nose,
next.
trachea,
Okay.
lung.
Lungs. Arta, how can learning about puberty and reproductive system help young people feel more confident?
To prevent anxiety or insecurity.
Okay, good. Next question, Arta. List 3 ways to take care of your respiratory system.
Use
There are so many ways actually. You don't have to memorize about it one. Just use your words. The way to prevent the way to take care of your respiratory system. What should you do? Next, Adiba. What is menstruation, Adiba?
Menstruation is when blood came from our reproductive system and our main reproductive produce eggs.
Okay. Namia, list 3 ways to take care of our respiratory system.
um don't smoking.
Don't smoke. Yeah, don't smoke. If you smoke, your respiratory system will be broke. Next,
Olahraga
what else?
what?
Doing sport, doing
Yeah,
some
doing
exercise.
sport, doing some exercise,
Next,
drinking a lot of water.
nah. Good. Describe the path air takes when you breathe in.
When the air enters to our nose or mouth. It go to the trachea and into the bronchi and reaches
And the last is,
to the lungs.
what is the last? What is the last organ that air gets in?
Alveoli.
Alveoli or in the lungs? Okay, good. Peony. How can learning about puberty and the reproductive system help young people feel more confident?
To increase anxiety and
To decrease, not to increase. Okay, to decrease the anxiety.
and fear.
Okay, it's okay. I get it. Your point. Next question. What is menstruation?
Menstruation is when the ovaries do not fuse with a sperm.
So the blood comes out from
The ovaries.
the female reproductive system.
female.
Good. Next question, Jocelyn. Okay, Jocelyn, list 3 ways to take care of your respiratory system.
Don't smoke.
Don't smoke.
Don't pollute it. Drink a lot of liquid. And exercise regularly.
Exercise. And you missed something about some important thing about how to take care of our respiratory system. Let's say when the COVID, why usually you wear
Wearing
mask,
mask.
right? To take care of your respiratory system. Then why you miss that one? It's very common. Drink a lot of water. Next question. What is menstruation?
Menstruation is when the egg when the egg do not
Doesn't?
doesn't meet with the sperm.
So
So the blood will
comes out.
comes out from our reproductive system.
Okay, good. I got it. Number one. Adiba. How can learning about the puberty and reproductive system help young people
To
feel more confident?
reduce anxiety and insecurity.
Okay. Arta. Why is it important to control mosquitoes to prevent disease like malaria?
So
Why is it important to control the mosquito to prevent the malaria?
we don't get malaria and
What is the connection between mosquito and malaria here?
because some mosquito have the disease with malaria.
Some mosquito can bring the germ that can cause the malaria. What is menstruation?
Menstruation is the eggs
The eggs doesn't meet,
doesn't meet the sperm,
so
so the blood comes out
from
from the reproductive system.
good. Okay, I think that is all for science. Now we move to IPAS. Arta, Maya, Jocelyn, Pioni. Oke, jelaskan perbedaan peredaran darah kecil dan besar. Apa itu peredaran darah besar? Apa itu peredaran darah kecil?
Peredaran besar
Dimulai dari
paru-paru.
bisa atau tidak? Oke. Apa itu peredaran darah kecil dan peredaran darah besar?
Peredaran darah besar dimulai dari jantung ke seluruh tubuh.
Kemudian kembali ke
Kemudian
kembali ke
kembali ke jantung.
ya. Kemudian peredaran darah kecil
Peredaran darah kecil dimulai dari jantung ke paru-paru,
kemudian
ke jantung, kembali ke jantung.
good. Namia, sebutkan 3 cara menjaga kesehatan sistem peredaran darah dan jelaskan alasannya.
Tidak makan makanan yang berlemak
Karena
itu bisa menghambat aliran darah. Terus minum air putih yang banyak. Habis itu berolahraga dengan teratur.
Jocelyn, tuliskan bagian-bagian rangka badan.
Tulang rusuk, tulang dada, tulang bahu.
Oke, cukup. Sudah benar. Yoni, jelaskan mengapa sendi putar sangat penting untuk pergerakan kepala.
Karena sendi putar memungkinkan kepala gerak dan menoleh ke arah lain.
Oke, nice. Apa yang akan kamu lakukan untuk terhindar dari osteoporosis sejak dini?
Dengan menghindari kebiasaan membungkuk dan tidak membawa tas yang terlalu berat.
Oke, kamu tahu apa itu osteoporosis?
Iya,
Apa?
kebiasaan membungkuk.
Oke, kebiasaan membungkuk. Jocelyn, jelaskan perbedaan peredaran darah kecil yang besar.
Peredaran darah besar adalah peredaran yang berasal dari jantung ke seluruh tubuh dan balik lagi ke jantung.
Oke, peredaran darah kecil.
Peredaran darah kecil adalah peredaran darah yang dari jantung ke seluruh tubuh balik ke paru-paru.
Jantung ke seluruh tubuh balik lagi
Ke jantung.
ya itu peredaran darah besar kan yang kamu sebut pertama. Peredaran darah kecil,
Paru-paru.
apanya yang paru-paru? Tahapannya itu dari mana? Namia,
Ya.
tuliskan bagian-bagian rangka badan.
Tulang pinggul,
Pinggul,
tulang apa lagi?
ini tulang pinggul, rangka badan.
Ada.
Ini tulang apa?
Jocelyn,
Lengan.
Tulang bahu.
tulang bahu. Apa lagi?
Tulang
Tulang yang berada di dada kita apa namanya?
dada. Lempeng.
Tulang ribs.
Tulang ribs.
Ribs itu bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Indonesia apa?
Ay, ambek ya.
So what? Ayo cepat.
Tulang dada.
Tulang dada.
Sebelah kanan.
Oke, Yadibah. Apa yang kamu lakukan agar terhindar dari osteoporosis sejak dini?
Makan makanan yang kaya akan kalsium.
Oke, next. Arta? Tuliskan bagian-bagian rangka badan.
Tulang dada, tulang pinggul,
Tulang pinggul,
tulang bahu,
tulang bahu.
dan tulang lengan.
Oke. Jelaskan mengapa sendi putar sangat penting untuk pergerakan kepala.
Agar kita bisa melihat ke berbagai arah.
Jelaskan perbedaan. Oke, sebutkan 3 cara menjaga kesehatan sistem peredaran darah. Yes.
Makan makanan yang bergizi, berolahraga, dan tidur secukupnya.
Jelaskan perbedaan darah besar, peredaran darah kecil, dan peredaran darah besar.
Peredaran darah besar adalah peredaran darah yang dimulai dari jantung, lalu ke seluruh tubuh, lalu kembali lagi ke jantung. Peredaran darah kecil dari jantung ke paru-paru, lalu kembali lagi ke jantung.
Selin. Apa yang kamu lakukan agar terhindar dari osteoporosis sejak dini?
Duduk tegak dan tidak membungkuk, dan tidak membawa barang berat seperti bawa tas yang melebihi berat.
Serta mengkonsumsi
Mengonsumsi vitamin, mengonsumsi kalsium.
kalsium. Yoni, sebutkan 3 cara menjaga kesehatan sistem peredaran darah.
Mungkin tidak makan makanan yang terlalu banyak lemak.
Next,
Berolahraga dengan teratur.
terus ada lagi?
Memakan makanan yang terkandung vitamin D.
Okay. Okay, that is all for our test today. Thank you.